Hi everybody, it has been a beautiful, warm and sunny day in my garden. It reached over 9 degrees today. This is a spring heat wave and I want to show you what's presently in bloom. Starting with the exquisite double daffodil called Westward. These jonquils are called Golden Echo. They're so sweet. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one are supposed to be a different daffodil. They were mislabeled, but I am blessed to have the cheerfulness and the yellow cheerfulness daffodils. The Sempervivanti daffodils are finishing up. They have been beautiful. This galvanized tub is overflowing with the double-laid tulips, pomponette, and fanola. Fanola I planted last year as well. They're so beautiful. I needed to have them again for this year. And I think I'll probably repeat them again next year. They're absolutely beautiful. They're also fragrant as well. They're sweet and they're fragrant. They're so sweet. An update on the acanthus urn planter that's topped with this hanging basket that's covered in dried moss are the Supertunias lovey-dovey. That side as well, Superbells yellow and Supertunia mini vista hot pink. I also planted in this planter the Sonata white cosmos and also two border dahlias. I just had to get them out of their cans. And this is the New Zealand flax called Apricot Queen, I believe. These are the Happy Generation Triumph tulips. There are fresher ones emerging inside here. The absolutely beautiful Akebono double Darwin hybrid tulips. These are on their way out. There's some fresh ones down here. I think this one got a little bit scorched by the sun. A fresh one in here. And a little surprise, actually, this lily flowering tulip. I love surprises like this. My David Austin English shrub rose called Desdemona is blooming. Look at this absolutely beautiful bloom. My potted daffodils are still at it. The white lion, more of the Sempervivanti back here. This one's a fresh one. The foxgloves are just looking fabulous. This is the Dalmatian white foxglove. I think this one is the Dalmatian purple foxglove. This is the pink panther. Wait, I think this is Dalmatian rose. And this one here is the Dalmatian purple. This is also the finale for the Temple of Beauty single late tulips in my garden. I have 3 blooming daffodils left in this bed. There might be more emerging, I'm not sure. I might be lucky. Some of these just bolted. Ah, there's a 4th one down here. I think this variety is called Unsurpassable. Happy spring, everybody.